Good day, everyone. Our role play is about adjusting tone and language for different scenarios. We will show you how tone and language change depending on who we're talking to and what situation we are in.
Uy, Julie! May checkpoint ka na ako. Sleep lang. Sleep here. Tara, sabay tayo. Tara.
Ma'am, may I ask from clarification about our product requirements? Of course, the group project should be a group presentation with a written report due next week. Okay, ma'am. Thank you. We will work immediately on it.
Good morning, ma'am and sir.
Good morning. Can you tell us about yourself?
Good morning. I am Roxanandan, a recent graduate in hospitality management. I'm eager to apply my skills in customer service and contribute to your company.
That's good. How do you handle a difficult customer?
I stay calm, listen to their concerns, and resolve the issues politely while maintaining professionalism.
Bagsak ako sa exam par. Wala na ata akong pag-asa. Huwag mo sabihin niya, Blay. Isang exam lang naman yan. So alam ko namang hardworking sa madali na kayo.
Morning, sir.
Hello, good morning. Ano nangyari sa order ko? I ordered last week pero di pa rin dumadating.
I'm sorry, sir, for your delayed order. Pero i-check ko po kagad yung status ng order niyo para ma-kuha niyo po kagad as soon as possible.
Mark, anong part gusto mo ngayon sa project? Siguro, ako na lang sa research part tapos ikaw na lang sa presentation slide. Sige, let's share updates na lang para sa bitara.
As we have seen, the way we speak changes depending on the situation. Using the right tone and language helps us communicate effectively, show respect, and build stronger relationships. Always remember, it's not just what we say, it's how we say it. Thank you.